Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm setting up in my vertical planner for the week of November 16th through the 22nd. And I was in a chat discussion hosted by Simply Miss Sassy on YouTube, and also Bevy's Crafty Plan was also in that discussion, and it was brought to our attention that November 18th was considered to be Minnie and Mickey's birthday from Disney. And so we thought it would be cool, since Disney has been doing collaborations with the Happy Planner, and a lot of us have stickers from those recent release collections, for us to do a spread dedicated to Minnie Mouse. And so we have decided to do that, and we're just posting our videos as well as any pictures throughout various social media platforms. So check me out. I have my Instagram link down below as well. And so unfortunately, I did not capture the beginning of what I thought I was recording of this video that showed the books that I was using, the washi tape, but I will tell you what I am using. I use the Happy Planner Disney mini book in the colorful box book. In addition, I will use some stickers from the Memory and Keeping book by the Happy Planner, and this polka dot washi tape is from the Paper House Company. And so I wanted to make for sure that I use this white polka dot on the pink background, because to me, Minnie has that when she is doing her like different outfits and so forth, and I thought that was so cute. Plus she has on the cute pink bows, so I wanted to incorporate this washi tape into this spread. And I started off by putting down a vertical sidebar from the Colorful Box sticker book, but I did chop off the top part. It said I love Minnie, but it was just the symbols of that, and I didn't want that, so I chopped that off. And then I put down the white and pink polka dot washi tape, and I wanted to sort of alternate the washi tape position instead of it just going straight across. And then I put down this cute box sticker with Minnie already on the box, and it just looks like ta-da. And so I thought that would be a cute way to start off Monday, and the box would give me an area to write in. And then for Tuesday and Wednesday in the middle row, I put down the washi tape and placed it as a frame, cut it down to size, and put the All I See Is Magic on top of that. And I put one of those miniature stickers with Minnie doing like a little pose, and it's like the leopard print on the opposite ends of the corner. But I started to look back at that vertical box on the sidebar, and I was not happy with the position of it. My original intent was just to shift the position of that box, but I wind up tearing it, so I just pulled it all off and decided to just go with a regular black colorful box. And then I wanted to put this Minnie down. It looks like she has her chin in her hands and her elbows on her knees, and so I thought that would be cute for it to just sit at the top of the box. And I put like a little bit of white out where the box is, so that the transparent sticker could stand out. And then I went back to the washi tape, and again I just wanted to like alternate the position of the washi tape, just to give it some fun for my eyes. And I put down this colorful box sticker that is outlined in pink, but it looks like Minnie is just throwing up some gold confetti, and the confetti for the Disney book and the planners has like a mixture of Minnie heads or Mickey heads with stars, hearts, all mixed into it. So love that. And now looking towards the right side of my page, I didn't want to do it balance for balance, but I wanted to make for sure that I did have some balance within the spread where I have a pink box. So I wanted to put another pink box, and this pink box also has gold foil like the confetti does on the other pink box. And so, but it has the silhouette of Minnie instead in gold foil with the black confetti. So I thought that was really cute, like opposite, but yet the same. And I decided to go ahead and put down the washi tape across Friday and Saturday and Sunday, but later I will go and remove the washi tape from Sunday just to help create some movement in the spread. And I could not wait to use one of these double boxes. So I was so excited to put a double box in my planner. And the one that I decided on was just a basic box, but it has like the lines going through it, and then it has like the pink confetti around it. But as I was continuing to lay down my additional stickers, I was like, that box is pretty plain. So it's exactly what I'm thinking of while I'm creating another washi tape frame for another sticker. And so I know that I'm gonna go back to that double box sticker pretty soon. And then I decided to go ahead and put down this sticker. It's a wonderful day, and it has the silhouette of Minnie. But for some reason, I just was not happy with that sticker being there. I don't know why. Because to me, that sort of gave me the balance of what I was looking at on the opposite side of the page. But it was just too solid. Too much solid black background for me. And I want to keep it light, fun, and airy. And so you'll see that I changed that out in just a minute. And I went ahead and put down the washi tape at the bottom to cover Saturday and Sunday. And I did remove that piece of washi tape from Sunday at the top. That way it's some movement on the spread and it's a little bit more balanced as possible. And then for the double box sticker, I decided to put that transparent Minnie sticker down. And I love the way that her hand is just like up in the air, like, here I am, you know, so cute. And so I just replaced that wonderful day sticker with this box sticker that came from the colorful box sticker for Disney. And I love it because it's like Minnie is peekabooing around the corner of the box, and I thought that was cute. So I have the left black box in the same square shape with another black box, same square shape, but the inside is not all the way filled in. So I like that a little bit better. And then going back to my left hand side page, I sort of changed things up the original way I wanted to do this. Originally, I was going to have Minnie and Mickey popping out of this little car. I got the car sticker from the memory keeping sticker, but from Happy Planner. But I decided I didn't want to chop off their heads or anything from their bodies to do that. Instead, I wanted to see like sort of like the car is sort of parked there, but Mickey is about to present Minnie with some flowers, and Minnie has this blush look on her face. I love how they do these things with these stickers. It's so cute. So he has some flowers behind his hands as though he's about to give her some flowers, and she's sort of like blushing. So I went with the Mickey Mouse in the red shorts because that, to me, it gave him a little bit of pop of color, but it didn't take away from Minnie's transparent sticker either. So I like that. And now I'm going back to the right hand side of the page, and I decided to put down some of this confetti sticker around the edging of the pages just to give it some pizzazz around the pages. And I just cut them in half. They give you like 2 black confettis and 2 pink confettis, and basically I just used 2 of the black confettis, cut them in half to extend the length of the confetti stickers on the top and the bottom. So I like that. And then yeah, I just made for sure that I try to position it in a way that looked like it was some continuity there versus it being like two different strips of stickers. So I like how that turned out. And then I was looking for some birthday stickers because remember the whole point of this spread was like, is Minnie's birthday on November 18th. And that is so funny because now I'm going to actually have that day like sketched into my head. That is Minnie and Mickey's birthday. And I actually looked that up online, and it does says that they were created, or this is the day of recognition that they were created on. So yeah, I just thought that was so cute. So instead of going with the original big cake that I thought I would, or just a full-size cake, I decided to go with a cupcake that had a singular candle, and I put that at the top row of Wednesday, and I fitted it to the far right of the box so that I could have room to write within the box if I decide to. And I think I probably will write a little bit of a note about me putting this special layout together in recognition of Minnie's and Mickey's birthday. And then I popped a transparent sticker down there in front of Minnie, in front of the cupcake, and I put a little bit of white out on the cupcake so that Minnie would stick out from the cupcake itself. So I like how that turned out. And now I'm just adding a couple of different stickers here and there from the Colorful Box sticker. I put down Coffee First for Monday. It's that circular sticker with a mug. It's a mini mug at the corner of the Colorful Box sticker. And then on the Thursday Friday box, I put Friday. So that was cute and has a heart. And then for Sunday, the top row, I decided to put this little black outline box. It's a grid box with some pink confetti. And it has a circle sticker on top of there that says, I love today. I love Sundays. One of my favorite days of the week. And then I wanted to add a little bit more to the border of the pages. So I decided to add some stars, the pink, black, and gold stars. So I like how that looks. So it sort of fits in with the confetti and extends the decoration onto the opposite sides of the pages from where I placed the confetti. I think that turned out really cute. I like it. I really like it. So I'm happy how this turned out. This is how it looks in my planner now. And then let me give you a view of the left-hand side. I think this turned out really cute, very girly and dainty, but fun and festive. And here's the right-hand side of the page. And now a side-to-side view. I love the gold foil. You know, Minnie is my girl. Anytime you're talking about pink and confetti, that's me. So, and here's the bottom. So I hope that you enjoy my decorative setup for this week's planner in celebration of Minnie's birthday on the 18th. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. And until the next time, bye-bye.